Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the attempted to teleport to a place that is restricted error in Roblox. First, always confirm the game's privacy settings. Many experiences are private or friends only. Next, ensure your internet connection is stable and strong, as a weak signal can cause issues. Finally, a simple restart of both your Roblox application and your device can often resolve temporary glitches, getting you back into the action quickly. Moving on, it's crucial to consider account and game-specific factors. Verify you haven't been kicked or banned from that particular game, as this directly restricts entry. Also, some game servers have player limits, so check if the server is full or undergoing maintenance. Lastly, review your Roblox account's privacy and parental control settings. These can sometimes prevent access to certain experiences without you realizing it. Now, let's look at client-side solutions. Clearing your Roblox application's cache can often fix corrupted data causing the error. If that doesn't work, a complete reinstallation of the Roblox player ensures you have the latest, uncorrupted version. Additionally, keeping your device's operating system and graphics drivers updated is vital, as outdated software can lead to compatibility problems and restricted access. For more advanced troubleshooting, consider these steps. If you're using a VPN or proxy, temporarily disable it, as these can sometimes interfere with server connections. Always check official Roblox status pages for any platform-wide service outages that might be affecting many users. If all else fails, gather all relevant details and contact Roblox support. They can provide personalized assistance for persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.